The MI-24P Hind. It is a Russian attack helicopter. If you look inside this thing, I mean, it's just crazy with the toggle switches. So I can go to the bomber's seat, or the co-pilot. That's his seat. But when I go there, I can't fly the plane or the copter. I should be able to. I haven't been able to get it to work though. I should be able to fly it from the co-pilot seat, but I'm not gonna look real quick. So that's the co-pilot seat. We're gonna stay in the pilot seat, and we're gonna see what we can do around Dubai here. So our glass here with our aiming reticle is not low enough, so I'm gonna lower the glass. So our aiming reticle, I'll lock it back up, and it's getting hot in here, so turn the fan on. Like I said, we're mostly just going to be shooting rockets and our cannon. And here it is, the MI-24. You see, you got two people inside, pilot, co-pilot. It's loaded up with rockets. You can see crazy skin with the two eyes. That's the Ukrainian skin on there. It's got a trike landing gear. You can see it lands a lot like a plane. Can land certainly on a carrier or something, but we'll put the gear back up. I'll put us on a turn here. Set the trim for the turn. And we're going to get rid of this. And let's see. Let's get closer here. Increase my fire rate. Good enough. Sync. Alright. So now we've got this firing reticle that takes into account speed and where the target is, and you can see it kind of helps you know where to shoot being that you're moving. I'll turn the brightness down for the original reticle, and now you can see the cross that's more accurate. If I put on a rocket like here, it just joins up with the the original Radical.
Never to come back. I see people turn their heads and quickly look away. Like a newborn baby, it just happens every day. I look inside myself and see my heart is black. I see my red door, I must have it painted black. Maybe then I'll fade away. Green seagull turn a deeper blue. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. If I look hard enough into the setting sun, my love will laugh with me before the morning comes. I see a red door and I want it painted black. Anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls walk by dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes.
Riders on the storm, riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah. you gotta love your man. Girl, you gotta love your man. Take him by the hand, make him understand.